Whoa, I've been in the stew for the past few, I'm cooking. Been in the rules, bills is past due, so we jugging. Ain't gonna lose, gotta keep shit running, do what it do, running for this money.
What's up YouTube, it's your boy True Line, back at it again with another YouTube video, back at it again with another one, you feel me? And today I will be showing you guys my two braids. I'm gonna apologize to the woman who braided my hair, April. Yes, I wanted to do this big hairstyle for my graduation pictures, but I did not know the turnout and I didn't have a haircut, so it was like a lot of complicated things back and forth, and I didn't want to get in trouble with my parents for how my graduation pictures turned out, so I just wanted to get it plain and simple so that anything wouldn't advance or get into a fight because of how the pictures turned out or looked, right? So I just want to say sorry to her publicly. I'll put her her Instagram name so that you guys can go follow her and book her to do your hair. If anything, go subscribe to her. Ask for April, that is her Instagram name, but I will put it in the description box below or post it right here. Yeah, but let's get down to the braids.
Cash that check.
Would paint all of you and all of me. Just a maybe, baby. Just a maybe. Would paint all of you and all of me. Would paint all of you and all of me. Just a maybe, baby. Just a maybe, baby. Just a maybe, baby. Just a maybe. Would paint all of you and all of me. Just a maybe.
Alright, so I'm gonna break down my hairstyle. Right now I have a temp fade where right here is actually tapered, right, and then it gets into the I guess what's it called, the one guard right here, and then it's like it fades in, and I have like a daggered what's it called, sideburn, and I have like, it's called it's like a spray dye that I put in my hairline just so that it makes my my hairline pop in pictures and stuff, but I can do it regular. I'll show you guys how my hair looks when it's without the dye, because it still looks clean without the dye, but I want it to pop, right? And it looks extremely good if I do a twist out or braid out, which I will show you guys after I take these out, right? What? My flicks were finessed. I actually took a lot of people's picture for picture day, and a lot of people said that my pictures came out better than the pictures that were actually taken. So that just made me feel good. And I was actually charging people for taking their pictures. 5 pictures for $5, 10 pictures for $10, but 30 pictures for $20, right? So yeah, it was a good little side hustle that I'm still doing. And I actually took pictures for my cousin for her wedding, which I will show right here or somewhere on the screen. I'll also show at the end some of the people's pictures that I took that I really liked. And yeah, so like, comment, share, subscribe. Hopefully I'll learn how to cornrow, because I cannot cornrow. I can box braid, I can plait hair, but I cannot cornrow. So maybe I'll learn how to cornrow in the future and show you guys. But my next hair video should be either a braid out of this or 3-strand twists. So I will let you guys know. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Trooper gang, Trooper squad. Peace.
I keep them coming back. We keep them coming back. I keep them coming.
Hey,
It's that motherfucking bounce.
off the block shit. Hey, this what I love to do. I'ma bust a move. Niggas got work to move. What I love to do. This what I love to do. I'ma bust a move. Yeah, I love to move. This what I love to do.